What up YouTube? Today we're going to be working on my 2007 Dodge Charger SRT8. I'm putting on some lighting Trendz Flow Series lights. Now we have them already on the 2012 Challenger SRT8 392
over there.
And we're going to have to take off the lights, reseal them, bake them, reseal them, pretty much just go through all the woes. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the package. Obviously you get your install manual, you get the smaller of the halos, that's for the inside. The larger ones obviously for the larger, that is going to be the fogs. You get the Bluetooth remote, you get a splitter, 2-to-1 splitter. This right here is going to be the...
It's like the brains of like for the Bluetooth remote. Space, everything connects into this.
So everything, that's the heart and brain and everything that's working. Flow extension wires, you get about 3 packages of them, and another splitter 2-to-1, obviously one for each headlight. Install manual, but it's not something that's kind of like informative. The company that we're going with is Lighting Trendz, and they're more of a,
like a general
call me and we'll walk you through it. But that's why we're here, we'll show you how to do it with the video.
Alright guys, so now we're going to take the bumper off, we're going to take the headlights out, and yeah, let's get it.
Alrighty guys, so we got the first headlight off and the bumper so far. All the headlight took really was 3 bolts. We got one coming in here,
One right here.
one coming in there, so 2 up top, and then you got 1 bottom down here.
So then once it's off, you just gotta start disconnecting. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna twist these out, twist this out. And we just gotta and that's the headlight, guys.
So far it's been pretty easy. We've been probably top end bolts for the bumper and headlight, like I said, 3 bolts. Now the hard part is getting it open, getting it resealed, and making sure everything works correctly before all of that happens. So let's get started.
Alright guys, so we put one of the headlights in here so far. It's right in there. And then this one we just finished.
Still gotta clean up the edges a little bit on it. Still really sticky.
Obviously guys, we already took it previously off, but we just put it back on. Sponsored by Modelo.
Sponsored by Modelo.
So yeah guys, we're just gonna put the halos in here, wire them up, clean up all this glue.
Clean up the inside a little bit, you know. Make sure tip-top shape when we throw these in.
Yep. Should be good. But yeah, so we're just waiting on these to finish. And yeah.
Alrighty everybody, so we have obviously the bumper, the headlights, everything off. We have cooked the headlights, taken off all the epoxy, and now we're about to test fit the lights and make sure everything works before we start getting into mounting the lights onto the headlights, and then so on and so forth. It's Modelo time, fool. Everybody, so we took a little break there, had to eat some dinner.
Drink some beers.
Drink some beers. We got soft hook up right now. So this is kind of the first test we're going to do, make sure they all work. Let's go ahead and check it out.
And then you gotta download the Magic LED app from Trendz, and basically you can just cycle through all the different modes, and then you can go like to crazy radical shit. You could even change the speed, even the brightness. You want to go like low dim. But yeah, they look like they all work so far. And this is some of the cycles you can go through. But I'm sure we're gonna show this when the car's going.
Alright, so we're going to start mounting them onto the headlight.
See in the actual headlight little grooves. You got about a 5-minute wait time, and we're just trying to
a
clean it
5-minute
up.
set time, and then you got an hour cure time. We're using the JB Weld. So we're hoping this seals a little bit better.
Trying to go quick on this.
See how this one's a little bit easier than the last one.
Alright guys, grab your side. Get in the clips. Okay.
Come on, use the gains, dude. There we go.
Alright, now Josie, grab it. Now let's start going.
Dude, that's it.
In doing this, we're just trying to make sure everything kind of sets in. This is
You want no leaks at fucking air and shit. Alright guys, so right now we just put both the headlights back on. Halos are installed. And then on this side as well. Pretty bright. But yeah, now we just gotta put the fogs in, put the bumper back on. And yeah, we'll clean everything up and we should be golden. Guys, so we just finished the halos. We just installed the bumper. We put the halos in, obviously, wired everything up, cleaned everything up. This is how it's kind of sitting out. Obviously the bumper's on. We just gotta close the hood. But this is the app, Magic LED app. Turn the lights off. Yeah guys, super bright. Go low setting so you can pick it up on the GoPro. Yeah guys. You guys can see.
got 200 different modes in here, so a lot to play around with, but